Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. We are in my kitchen today and I am so excited to be sharing with y'all this recipe. I've been posting these brownies throughout Instagram, throughout this whole month pretty much, and November. I know brownies don't scream fall or Christmas, but y'all, brownies are a dessert that you can enjoy year round. I mean, who doesn't like a brownie? A brownie with some ice cream on top, a la mode. Mmm, delicious. I'm so excited for today's recipe because it's guilt-free. This recipe is dairy-free and gluten-free. And yes, it does include pumpkin, but don't freak out. The pumpkin is only there for texture and to give it a nice moist touch. You won't even taste the pumpkin. These pumpkin brownies also have cocoa powder and chocolate chips, giving them a rich chocolate flavor. Y'all, and since there is no flour in them at all, that helps them come out fudgy, but also light in texture. So this means that if someone in your life is living that low carb diet, like myself, I'm trying, these brownies got you covered. Go make them right now. The best part of these brownies is that you only need one bowl. And I'm always down for a very minimal equipment recipe. I'm all behind it. I've made these brownies for my family, some friends, some coworkers, and let me tell y'all, they've enjoyed it 100%. Even the most pickiest eater enjoys this brownie. So let's preheat our oven, get all your healthy pumpkin brownie ingredients out, get your measuring cups and measuring bowls out, and let's get to work. All right guys, so once you take it out of the oven, let it cool completely down. And once it is cooled down, you're gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge for at least half an hour, because that is the secret of them turning out fudgy and soft and moist. That is the secret, y'all. Look how delicious they look. I wanna eat into them. Y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I have. It's honestly been one of the best recipes that I've followed. It's literally blown my mind away how delicious they come out, that you wouldn't even think that these all have healthy ingredients. So as you may have noticed, the ingredients in this recipe are simple and easy. Nothing complicated, things that you can find at your grocery store or stuff that you might already have in your kitchen. It's easy. And if you have not seen my soft, healthy pumpkin cookies, check that recipe out as well. I'm gonna put the link up here somewhere. That one was a total success as well. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Tell me what you thought about this recipe, if you did anything different with it, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. And finally, I'm wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, a Happy New Year's, a Happy Hanukkah. Whatever you celebrate around this time of year, I hope you're having a good one, whether it's virtually with your family or with your family. Hope you guys are keeping safe, and thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it with all of my heart. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.